Fully insert the nose plate to the side channel reinforcement into the frame. Place the left and right axle brackets on the outside of the frame and insert the U-shaped extended nose plate into the appropriate positions. Align the holes in the axle bracket, U-shaped extended nose plate, and nose plate. Thread the bolts through and lock. Insert the axle into the left and right axle brackets. Install the tri-wheels, then secure with the cotter pins. Please refer to the directions shown in the figure to install the U-shaped and D-shaped handles. Attach the U-shaped handle to the top of the main frame and secure it with hexagon socket screws and nuts. Attach the D-shaped handle to the subframe using the smaller hex bolts and nuts. Tighten all screws and nuts completely.